In this video, I'll be showing you how you can log in and log out of your Hik-Connect app on your mobile phone. Swipe on the phone. Here's the app Hik-Connect. Tap and open the app. If the app opens, you can see right here login / register. Tap on it. Then you can see right here, here's my email. I can come here and put my password. But if you register the account with your phone number, you can tap right here and put your phone number. It will change to phone number. So I'll come here and enable the email because I use email to open the account. So I'll come here and put my password. If I put my password, I'll come and tap on this login. You can see here agree and login. You can see that right now I have logged in my Hik-Connect mobile app on my phone. You can see here's my camera 1. It's not showing, it's offline because my TV is off, my DVR is off, it's showing offline. So to log out from the app, so you can see here me icon here, down here, tap on it. You can see here's my profile icon here, tap on it. Then down here you can see here logout. Just tap on this logout. Confirm logout. You can see that right now I've been logged out. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.